In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a banner in your Ecwid store. Whether you're refreshing your store's look or implementing new branding, a banner can play a crucial role in setting the tone for your online presence. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your website editor. This is where all the magic happens, and you'll be making the necessary customizations for your store's appearance. Simply log into your Ecwid account and click on the link that leads you straight to your website editor. Once you're there, you'll be able to see all the customizable aspects of your store laid out neatly before you. Once you're in the editor, direct your attention to the upper section of the screen where your site logo is located. Clicking on the site logo is your next move. This section is typically where you'll begin when looking to add or modify your store's header or banner. It serves as a gateway to more detailed customization options, preparing you for the next steps in personalizing your store's look. After you've clicked on the site logo, your next focus should be the Change button. Clicking this button will open up more possibilities and options for modifying the elements within your header. This action is crucial because it allows you to replace or update any existing visuals with your new banner design. It's here that your creative strategy starts coming alive, so let's ensure we proceed with precision. Now that you're in the right menu, you should look for and click on Change Image. This option is designed to let you modify graphical elements easily. Here you get the chance to either upload your own customized banner or select one from a library if available. Do make sure your image is optimized for web use to ensure fast loading times and a smooth user experience for your visitors. Uploading your banner will complete the process, transferring your innovative design to your store's front page. Your work will be immediately visible and can greatly influence the first impression your site makes on customers. A well-designed banner can communicate professionalism, showcase promotions, or simply strengthen your brand identity. And there you have it. Adding a banner to your Ecwid store is just that simple. Keep in mind the importance of visuals in online shopping and take advantage of this feature to engage more effectively with your visitors. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating an attractive and compelling online presence for your store. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to enhance your e-commerce experience.